This is my forecast list for this today. I'm looking at AUDJPY, we have gold, we have NAS, and then we have pounds AUD. So this is what I'm looking for on a 1 hour time frame, and then a 15-minute time frame. This is what I'm looking for. So let's dive into details. So we have AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, this is the current structure. Looking at the 4 hour, this is what I have here on the current structure. We have price. This is where price volume was. This was where volume was created, and that led to the causation of this move here. Now price is currently moving. Price went back to where initial volume was, what built in, and then triggered it, and price pushed down to this level. So looking at it now, we have price what approaching this value area here on this side. So let's come to the 1 hour and have a better look. So on the 1 hour here, after this huge drop here, we have price at this level here. So this is what value area here that price has already built volume here, and price is currently looking out to go and what trigger that level again. So looking at it now, I'm waiting patiently for price to what move to this level here. I want a drop in price. So I want a drop in price to give me a nice after the trigger price trigger at this value area here. My price to drop, giving me a clean two-touch continuation, a 15-minute time frame, and I can take it whether extracted or non-extracted flag. I can take it like this. I have my first TP at this level. The risk to reward this one is to 3. That I'll be looking at it. Okay. So either extracted or non-extracted flag, I can take it both only. So this is what I'm looking for on AUDJPY. Then we have NAS100. NAS100. So NAS100. I think I have NAS100 on this. Where's my watch list? Yes. Sorry, a moment. NAS100. This is my NAS100 here. So NAS100. Looking at it on the 4 hour. This is a level where price volume area that price has triggered out this correction for this move to the upside down. But looking at it on the 4 hour time frame, there's so much big space in it. So as there's so much big space in it, that currently this level is not any major level that I'm considering for price to what drop deeper to this level. But I know this is trading, this forex, anything is possible. Price can drop deeper and then move in. But if price cannot be able to come to this level, what I'm also looking for is for price to what push back in with structure with a full 4 hour close, candlestick close with a strong retracement. Then I'm looking for buys on this level. So I have this here. So after the full 4 hour close, I would like to see a pushback in structure, then give me a flag, and then I'll be able to enter either extracted flag or non-extracted flag. I'll be able to enter into buys position on what NAS100. So this is what I'm looking for in NAS100. So still the same thing. So I don't know what happened here, but let's see how the market unfold. Then we have pound gold. So gold currently now, looking at it on the 4 hour now. Let me come to the daily and see what I'm looking at it now. We still have all this volume area here. That price is still playing around. Okay, so coming to the 4 hour, what do we have here? We have this volume area here where price triggered this move for this move to move to the upside down before price pushing back in and giving us this move and what moving back in. So currently I'm looking for price to come and what trigger this initial value area that was what built to trigger it. So if price trigger it up, one thing that you should know is that what price leave gap and this gap, there was gap here, there's gap here, there's gap here. So currently now, for sometimes for big moves to happen, price can initially break through this value area, and then what, before breaking back into structure, and I'll look forward a 2-touch continuation flag on a 1 hour time frame, and I'll take it on gold. So this is currently, this is what, sorry about that, currently this is what I have my trading plan. Because the main reason why I marked this level, because this was a value area here that I'm considering that initially if price will want to break this up, so we can have a push back to this structure like this here to form this continuation before price can push back in to complete this level. And when we get to here or this level, we can have price for potentially this price will respect this value area. They have price to push back in, give us a 2 continuation flag. It's like 2 touch, either structured or unstructured flag, then we enter into a sell, then we ride it to this level. So this is what I'm typically looking on gold. So no, this is possible currently now. We have a mini, let me remove this for now. So we have a mini drop on gold. We have price pushing back in to this level. Can we take a short term buy and ride it along? So let me remove this for now. Short term buy here. Let me see. Again, as active here we have 1:4, which is the issue. So all is possible. So let's see how things play out by the end of the day. So I'll update it very soon and see how the market closes at the end of the day. So that's all for this Monday. This is what I'm looking for on this for currency on my forecast. This is what I'm looking for. Thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe.